start off, I'm using our DDF Nails UV LED Base Gel, and I'll be building the nail with our DDF Nails Builder Polish, and the color I'm using is Builder 01. The first step would be to prep the nail, get the oils off, push your eponychium back, and get the shine off of your nail. You don't have to use a primer, but you do want to use a base. And I am doing a thin layer of our base gel, and I'm going to cap the tip and cure that in my 36 watt LED UV combo lamp for 10 seconds. And then now I'm going in with our first thin layer of the DDF Nails Builder Polish, capping the tip again, and this is going to prevent chipping and prolong the wear. And after I did that layer, I cured in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. If you are using a UV lamp, then you would want to cure for 2 minutes. Now that little circular motion that you saw me do, if you missed it, just go ahead and rewind. You can use that motion to build up the nail, or you can just paint it on as you see me doing here. So you're going to follow these steps for the second and third layer, and those 2 layers you do want to have a little bit more of the builder polish on your brush, and then you can flip the nail over if you wanted to and let it sit for about 5 seconds to help build up the apex and the body of the nail. Once you're done curing your second and third layer in your LED or UV lamp, you want to use some 99% alcohol so that you can take off the inhibition layer and then go in with your filing. I always start off with my side walls and then the tip, and you can either hand file or e-file. I did a little bit of both, and I used my Coupa file and a fine ceramic bit to refine the shape and to get the nail ready for gel polish. And I also use that same bit to go up under the nail, and that's really just going to help enhance the C-curve of the nail. And I didn't use our base gel because we're already using a gel based product, so I don't have to use a base gel, but if you want to, you can. But I am using our DDF Nails Sweet Nothings gel polish. I'm going to apply 2 coats of this and cap each layer for 60 seconds is what you're going to do a curing time if you're using a LED lamp. If you're using a UV lamp, then you're going to go ahead and cure for 2 minutes. And then after that, then what you will want to do is just use some alcohol to take off the inhibition layer. I didn't cap the nail yet because I am going to do some stamping, and this is going to allow me to stamp on the nail but not disturb the gel that's underneath. So I'm using a Born Pretty Store BPL 024 stamping plate, and that rose design is what I'm using. And I did use a Konad white stamping polish and my Bundle Monster scraper, as well as my Bundle Monster Monacle clear stamper, and I used a lint roller to take off any additional stamping design so that that does not get on the nail. Now I did use a base gel for this step, and that's because I want the nail to be matte, and I find that sometimes matte gel polish for whatever reason can disturb the nail polish so it smudges. But I find if you use either a gloss or a base on top of the stamp design and then go in with your matte gel polish, then the design does not get disturbed and you still get that nice matte finish. Now you can leave it like this, or you can do what I did. This is right here just showing you the thickness of the nail with that stamping and the builder polish. To enhance the design, I did use our DDF Nails UV LED gel polish and powder puff, and I used a dotting tool to just go over some of those roses to really make the design stand out. And that's it. I hope you all enjoyed. Please be sure to subscribe, visit our website and our Instagram, and thumbs up the video, and I'll see you in the next one. As always, and until next time, have a gorgeous day, doll. Smooches. Mwah. Bye.